Curious to know what are the major types of keyword? Then this video is your expert guide. Hello everyone and welcome back to MAK SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from an expert team of MAK In today's lecture, we are exploring a fundamental topic. What are major types of keywords? This knowledge will sharpen your SEO skills. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full MAKblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Before we explore the major types of keyword, let's understand why knowing these types is crucial for your content strategy. Keywords are not a one-size-fits-all solution. By understanding the various types, you can customize your content to specific search intents, increasing your chances of reaching the right audience. Let's explore these major keywords types and grasp their significance with practical examples. So let's get started. First we have short tail keyword. Short tail keywords are concise, often one or two words, and are broad in scope. For example, shoes. Shoes is a short tail keyword. Next we have long tail keywords. Long tail keywords are more specific and longer phrases designed for niche audiences. For example, best running shoes for flat feet. Best running shoes for flat feet as a long tail keyword. Next we have LSI, latent semantic indexing keywords. LSI keywords are semantically related to your main keyword. For example, if your topic is healthy recipes, LSI keywords could include nutritious meal ideas or cooking for wellness. Understand? So, next we have branded keywords. These keywords include your brand name. They help to enhance your brand visibility. For example, MAKblogs SEO services. Here, MAKblogs is a brand name. Next, we have non-branded keywords. Non-branded keywords are not associated with your brand, focusing on generic topics or services in your niche. For example, for a company specializing in athletic shoes, a branded keyword might be ABC Sport Shoes, directly promoting their brand. However, a non-branded keyword could be running shoe reviews, which doesn't reference any particular brand but explores a general topic relevant to the niche of athletic footwear. I hope you all are enjoying. So, move forward. Next, we have interrogative keywords. Interrogative keywords start with questions like who, what, where, when, why, and how. They are used when people have specific questions or seek any information. For example, what is the best smartphone in 2023? Or how to bake a chocolate cake? These keywords target users with inquiries, making them valuable for creating content that directly answers their questions and attract organic traffic. Understand? So, next we have product keywords. When you are promoting specific products, product keywords come into play. For example, iPhone 13 Pro Max review is a product keyword. Next, we have transactional keywords. Transactional keywords signal an intent to make a purchase or take a action. For example, buy red running shoes is a transactional keyword. Last but not the least, commercial keywords. Commercial keywords are centered around commercial activities and frequently feature terms like best, top, or discount. For example, best deals on laptops. In last, we have competitor keywords. Competitor keywords involve targeting your competitor's brand or product names to capture their audience's attention. For example, if you sell smartphones and one of your competitors is a well-known brand like TechX, using TechX smartphone alternatives as a keyword could help you capture the interest of individuals who are specifically searching for TechX products but might be open to exploring alternatives. Got it? So, in conclusion, we can say that understanding these major types of keywords is like having a versatile toolkit at your fingertips. It enables you to craft content customized for various user needs and purposes. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore how to effectively research and use these keywords types in your content strategy. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 11, where we have uncovered the major types of keyword in SEO content writing. If you are seeking an exceptional digital services including SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.